Watch where you're going.
Down the Dublin Road, they told him when you cross the tracks on 58 coming home, watch out, the wheels will fall off, the front end came in right down.
Yep.
Brought it back, I welded on it for 3 hours, and I had to cut pieces, and I could only find one place I could weld on it. And I had to cut pieces to fit and pound them and tack them on and then pound them in place. And I welded on it for 3 hours with Tommy and the I'm like, give me those blade strips. What do they look like? Give me that pry bar. What's it look like?
Yeah.
You know? Tommy don't know what fair players is hardly. But I welded that all up. I went right down the road straight.
Hang on just a second.
Yep.
Oh, sugar. I'm not in a good spot here. This guy's going to end up cutting me off. There's a tractor trailer in front of me that's going to... He's going to run right into the front of my truck unless these people get back up behind me.
Oh, nice.
Buddy. I'm trying to back up, but they aren't moving. Hang on. I can't fit. It won't fit. It's not going to fit. Just a second. 1 second. I go over here. It won't fit there. No, it won't. It's not going to fit. I can't fit. There's a garbage right there. I can't. There's a garbage right there. It doesn't fit. You got to back up. Look.